Hey YouTube, this is Nardles back again with a quick review of the 4th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver from Doctor Who. So this is made by Character Options, and you get with it, you get this little card which shows the opening sequence for the Tom Baker years of Doctor Who. You get the TARDIS and you move it slightly. You get the face of Tom Baker, move it again, and you get Doctor Who, the logo for his years. So on the back you just have some like licensing information, all that stuff. So let's take a look at the screwdriver. It's pretty simplistic, but this one was pretty simple. So it's all just silver and a little black detailing, and then the emitter up here that basically just looks like, honestly, it looks like a little bullet with a little ring around it. So speaker at the bottom, fairly decent size. That's about the right size that it should be, I think. So that's kind of cool. I think this is the same mold as the 4th one too. So yeah, same mold as the 4th one. Yeah, it is, because it is the 4th one. Same mold as the 3rd one, just different colors. And it does have 2 sounds, which are not the right sounds. They're the sounds from the 9th, 10th, yeah, the 9th and 10th Doctor screwdrivers. So the 2 sounds you get are and that's about it. I mean, there's not really a lot to say about it. Basically, no buttons on this one, just you just kind of slide this part down. That's what she said. And that's about it. I mean, there's not really a lot to say about these. If you're a big Doctor Who fan, go pick these up. I found this at FYE. So yeah. Alright. So this is Nardles. This is Nardles signing out.